Becky.
I'm Kaylin.
I'm Kiana.
And we're having a burping contest.
Jeez, Ricky.
Oh. Oh my gosh. You guys, come on. Yeah. Oh. Oh, my fingers snapped.
Last time I was doing pretty good.
I know.
Guys, come on, burp with me.
I'm trying.
Me too.
Oh my god.
Well, if you could beat that, you'd be pretty good.
Oh.
That's good.
No, yeah, my pop's not even done yet.
Mine either. Mine beat it.
No, mine is still
Mine beat it.
You can let the people decide.
Oh, nobody
Maybe we
laughed at us.
should.
Hey guys. I think the lens cap is on.
What?
No.
No.
It's just discoloration, you nar.
Who says nar nar? Seriously. It's in the prick.
You just totally got it all over your Okay, who did you win?
Hey, Kiana.
We are proud of you, so we are proud of you. Hey, we are proud of you, so we are proud of you. Hey! Yeah!
I got pop on my hand. Bye.
Vote on MySpace. Vote. Vote.
Yeah. Who won?
Vote for me.
Woo!
I'm,
I'll give you a fisher.
I'm cool.
no, I give you